Zhenhe Machinery. Today I will introduce our sampling technology for you.
This is our slab making machine. This is the most popular size in the Central Asian region, 7.1 米 long, 1.2 米 wide, and 0.22 米 in thickness. We also accept custom orders. Welcome to consult us.